Hey everybody, it's Brian. Out for overnight. Down here at Mohican Park and Pack. Got a little pink polk action going on. Pulling some extra firewood to the campsite. I am out here with my brother, Trail Beaner. He's got a little polk action going on up there himself. Just some simple modified sleds used for a polk. So nothing extravagant, but getting the job done. I think we got about a mile to hike. We're not doing nothing big. We just came out to camp and got a bunch of good food to cook up. Some new gear to play around with. So I just come out to have some fun, camp in the cold. Just had a nice little snowstorm overnight. Yesterday into the overnight. Woke up yesterday in the mid 50s, and here we are in the mid-teens. Some rain turned to freezing rain and all that good stuff. Fun times. It's really nice out here. This is the Mohican Memorial State Forest, if I'm not mistaken. So, let's get into it. Alright, so we made it to camp. Nice little open area. So we like the spot. We're going to stay here. So I'm doing something a little different today. I'm going to actually be sleeping under a tarp with a ground pad. And I'm gonna put it right up in here in this flat area. So something a little different. So what I'm gonna do is take the sled that I'm using as a polk and just flatten some of this snow out a little bit and get to work, get camp set up. I'm getting dizzy. Something new for the 018.
I kind of get why Suge likes poking. Tell you what.
Hey man, for some little kid sleds, they did alright.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so I'm not 100% what the configuration of this tarp setup is, but there's tons of YouTube videos on how to set it up. I'm basically just making a little tent out of the tarp, and I'm gonna use my trucking pole to prop up the middle. If you have any questions, just ask. I'll do my best to get everybody, or if you'd like to see a video of exactly how I set it up a little bit more closely, just let me know in the comments. Come on, I'll give you a little tour. So that's home for tonight. Do a little tweaking on it. Get her all cinched down nice and tight. Actually, these corners get tucked in. So, yeah, I'll batten down the hatches and that's it. So as I was saying earlier, you know, we brought a couple totes full of some dry wood to have just in case, you know. We want to be able to spend some time by the fire, and didn't know what the situation would be like when we got here. So Ben just went to hike back to the car with his little poke and pick up the other tote that we didn't carry in yet. So I'm going to try to gather some dead standing and whatever I can find to supplement, and I'm going to snag some of these dead branches off of this pine, and there's a piece over there I can snag up. So I hope everybody had a good New Year and enjoyed the holidays. Got to spend some quality time with the family, and my son was happy, and my nieces and nephew were happy, so that's really all that matters to me. How about you guys? You guys have a good time? Do anything fun, exciting? I'm happy for the new year and new adventures. First camp of the new year. Got a nice 6 to 8 inches of snow overnight, so just makes for a good time. I like the winter weather and hanging out by the campfire, you know. Alright guys, I'm gonna work on processing up some of this wood I'm gathering and get this fire going, because it's noon and I'm ready for lunch. I'm starving. We'll be back. That's that good stuff. That's nice. try a little bit of this fat wood my buddy sent me from Wisconsin. He says it's actually from the Great Peshtigo Fire of 1871. Let me tell you, the smell that comes off of this fat wood is just intense. It smells so sweet. Some of those as a brace so I don't smother it. That's it, boys and girls. Should be going in no time. Let me give a shout out to my buddy Teist for sending me that fat wood. That stuff's awesome. Oh, I'm so hungry.
Trying to get your attention.
What about you, bro?
I'm hungry. Let's cook.
Oh, man. Look, guys. This is why you don't loan out tools. Even at camp. I mean, who does that?
Especially at camp.
Who does that, man?
Especially at camp.
How you gonna put my axe in the dirt, man?
Hey, man,
That's the cardinal sin of camping, man.
I don't know what happened.
You're banished, bro. You gotta leave, man. You're banished from this campsite.
I'm good for one thing, bringing bacon.
These things cannot get done soon enough. I'm so hungry. Alright guys, lunchtime's finally here. I was not lying when I told you we was gonna be eating some good food. And this is just lunch. We ain't even got to them ribeyes for dinner yet.
Oh, snap. Can't wait.
Oh yeah. Well, I'm gonna dig into this. I'll check back with you guys later. I'm so hungry. Hey guys, so did a little lollygagging after lunch. I was feeling pretty tired. It was pretty stuffed, man. Those sausages hit the spot and that rice. Beard's all frozen. Get them frozen whiskers. So what's happening is been just going around and collecting some wood for tonight. I want to have a ripping and roaring fire. There's my bro coming back with a small load because he's weak. Weak, I tell you. There's some of the stuff we brought, but that's not going to last long enough, so we're collecting. What's that, brother?
end of the ridge?
No.
Nice, man.
Is it?
Views like I can only imagine in the summer.
I know, I was catching some nice shots off of that sunset, but them clouds are moving back in. Surprisingly, blue skies.
Yeah, look at that.
It's gonna be a nice night.
Yeah, man.
About a little bit of snow.
Ladies ran right up on the ridge.
Oh, that's where those people were coming from that were running
You
through?
could hear voices, but like way, way off.
Yeah. I know you could hear some vehicles back there.
Yeah.
I heard some echoing. Alright, we're going to get this wood processed down and just kick it for tonight.
Yeah, get moving.
Just chill. Calling my little hobbit home. I'm excited for that. Finally getting to a little dinner prepping. Gonna get some potatoes, onions, and peppers on the go, wrapped up in some foil. Those should take about 20 minutes or so. Steak should only take about 5 a piece or something. We got some pretty good coals down. Steak and potatoes.
And veggies.
And some broccoli and carrots. It'll boil up. I hope you can see those good. You like a lot?
Yeah.
Loading them up.
Load it up, man.
Load them up. Smash them down in there, you know. It's about to get real up in these woods. Alright, ladies and gents, we're about there. Check out how these little balls came out. Hopefully you can see that. Pretty nice.
Little country stew. Never hurt no one.
A little hobo dinner action. I don't know if that's politically correct, so we'll go country stew. Disregard my earlier remark. Still good. It's done. Oh, it's gonna be good. I'd have liked her a little bit of pink in there, but It's gonna be all right. Jeez. It's hard to see.
This thing is frozen on there now.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
it's time to grub. See you guys later. Alright guys, that's it for tonight. Had a great dinner and all tucked up in my little hobbit home, or whatever Beaner called it. My little hobbit hole. So it's been a good trip. Wake up tomorrow and eat some breakfast and be on our way after that. So not a whole lot left going on, but getting nice and snug and warm and comfy in the quilts, and that's it. So night guys, see you tomorrow. Morning everyone. It's about 6:30 ish, and it's a cold one. I don't know what the temp is. I'll check and let you know. Oh, I slept pretty good though. Waking up to use the bathroom was about the worst thing ever, but such is life. Oh.
Every time too, I held it until like I was gonna pee my pants.
I know, man, and they say that's the worst for you too. They say it's the worst for you. You're not supposed to hold it because it somehow it makes you colder. I don't know. I mean, I was nice and toasty in my quilts though, so. Oh, that fire needs to get going ASAP, and some coffee is on the menu. Oh. Everything's frosted. Got ice on my top quilt. Oh, good times. Alright, time to get up. Alright guys, so we're headed out now. We got that fire going, had some coffee, some bacon and hash browns, and hung out by the fire just a little bit. So, but back to the real world, doing not fun grown-up stuff. Oh, I swear, getting out here I feel like a kid playing. So that's it for this one, guys. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the video, and be back at you soon with another one. Take care, everyone.